So in this video of chapter number 4, linear equations in two variables, we are going to try to answer the question how many solutions a linear equation in one variable has, okay, as you can see here, and then we'll go ahead and develop this concept into how many solutions does linear equation in two variables have, okay. So first of all, let's focus on, I'm going to use a highlighter, let's focus on linear equations in one variable. We want to find how many solutions, okay, how many possible answers a linear equation in one variable has. So I'm going to zoom in. Okay, so consider this linear equation in one variable. So I'm going to say linear equation in one variable, short form LEOV, not LOVE. So consider this x plus 5 as equal to 7. Okay, we all know how to solve this equation. So we are going to subtract 5 from both the sides of the equation. Okay, if we subtract 5 from both the sides of the equation, the equality of the equation, so this is the equal sign, equality, is always maintained because we are doing similar operations, same operations on both the sides of the equation. And so continue. So this is going to be x. Now 5 minus 5 is 0, so equal to 7 minus 5 is 2. So x equal to 2 becomes the solution of this linear equation in one variable. Okay, now let me draw a line and let's take another one random example of linear equation in one variable. So I'm going to write here, let's say 2x, oh sorry, so let's try to zoom in a bit. Okay, so let's say 2x plus 3 is equal to 7. Okay, another linear equation in one variable. So first of all, to confirm, do convince yourself that this is a linear equation in one variable. Of course it is. Now let's try to solve this. Now here I'm going to be a little bit fast. So 2x plus 3 minus 3 is equal to 7 minus 3. Okay, so this is the minus 3, same operations on both the sides of the equation. Now that leaves us with what? 2x is equal to 7 minus 3 is 4. Okay, now once again we are going to do division on both the sides of the equation. Divide by 2 and here also divide by 2. Okay, so therefore now 2 and 2 they cancel each other out. So we are going to get x as equal to 4 divided by 2 is 2. Oh, what a coincidence. So we again got x equal to 2 as the solution, okay, as the answer to this linear equation in one variable. So thus the conclusion is that whenever you have any linear equation, okay, linear equation in one variable, how many solutions it will have? It will every time have exactly one solution, one answer that will satisfy the unknown variable x, So that is a conclusion about the number of solutions a linear equation in one variable has. So I think that is the same thing I have noted down here. Let's come down. Yes, so I'm going to just remove this. Exactly. So let's read it out. So this is our conclusion. Okay, conclusion. A linear equation in one variable has only one solution. Okay, so let's use a highlighter to highlight this. Only one solution. This is a very important conclusion about this. Now, let us move ahead and try to find out how many solutions, okay, how many solutions does linear equation, okay, in two variables has. Okay, now we are going to consider linear equation in two variable and try to see how many solutions it will have, whether it will have one solution, two solutions, 5 solutions, 10 solutions. Let us see. So here I have already written down a linear equation in two variables, that is 2x. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. So as you can see, these are the two variables x and y in this equation. Now we are going to try to solve this equation. So I'm going to zoom in. Okay, this is the equation in focus. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to first prepare a table here. Okay, so let's say some table like this. Okay, So this is x and this is sorry. So this is x and this is y. So let's take the value of x as equal to 0 and then let's try to find what will be the value of y. Okay, so so in the first step, okay, so first step I'm going to say let x be equal to 0. Therefore it will be 2 into 0, okay, plus 3y as equal to 12, and therefore 2 into 0 is 0 plus 3y is equal to 12, and therefore I get 3y as equal to 12. Now divide both the sides of equation by 3. So y will be equal to 12 divided by 3, that is equal to 4. So if I substitute x as equal to 0, I get y as equal to 4. So I'm just going to mention that here. So the value of y came out to be 4. Now let's take x as equal to 1 and see what is the value of y. So quickly, let's erase this. Now we have to take let x be equal to 1. Now again substituting in the given equation, we will get 2 into 1 plus 3 into y as equal to 12. Okay, and therefore 2 into 1 is 2 plus 3y is equal to 12. Now subtracting both the sides of equation by 2, so we'll get 3y as equal to 12 minus 2, that is equal to 10. Okay, therefore 3y is equal to 10, and therefore y will be equal to, divide both the sides of equation by 3, so y will be equal to 10 by 3, and that becomes the solution here. Okay, so when x is equal to 1, y is 10 by 3, which is a rational number. Okay, it's not a whole number, it's a rational number, 10 by 3. Now finally let's take a random number. Let's take x as equal to 100. Let's take x as equal to 100 and let's see what is the value of y. So once again we are going to erase this. Yes, and I'm going to say let x be equal to 100. Therefore now substituting will give us 2 into 100 plus 3y as equal to 12, and therefore 200 plus 3y will be equal to 12, and now we will subtract 200 from both the sides of the equation. So left hand side will be 0, right hand side will be 12 minus 200, that is going to be equal to 188 minus, don't forget the minus sign, is going to be minus 188. Therefore 3y is equal to minus 188, and therefore y is going to be minus 188 divided by 3. So this is the value of y when x is equal to 100. So I'm going to just make a note of that. Yes, so it's going to be minus 188 divided by 3. So thus we have seen, let's erase this and now try to observe, okay, that if you are given a linear equation in two variables, okay, x and y, and if you keep on taking different values for x, okay, this can be an infinite, we can go on and on and on. We can keep on taking different values for x, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we'll get different values of y which will satisfy this equation. Okay, so if you, let me use a highlighter, if you note, then this is one pair of solution of the equation 0, 4. So I'm just going to write it here separately. Okay, 0, 4 is one possible solution for the equation. Then 1, 10 by 3 is another valid solution for this equation 2x plus 3y equal to 12, and also 100 minus 188 by 3 is also another valid equation for the given another valid solution for 2x plus 3y equal to 12. So you can see that the solutions keep on coming as you change the value of x. These solutions will keep on coming. Okay, and thus we conclude that for a linear equation in two variables, there are infinite many solutions. Okay. So that is the conclusion that I have noted down here. Let's get it off. Yes. So let's read it out. A linear equation in two variables. Okay. So this is important point. Two variables has infinitely many solutions. Okay. So I'm just going to box it. This is very important. Okay. A linear, in the previous discussion we saw that a linear equation in one variable has only one solution, exactly one solution. But the moment you make it two variables, okay, a linear equation in two variables, you are going to get infinitely many solutions. So that is the important conclusion, important observation in this video.